Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Leon. Today I will introduce you how Silike silicone additives help solve problem of rubber shoes, improve the wear resistance property. At present, the common method to improve the wear resistance for rubber shoes mainly includes two methods. First, adding carbon black reinforcement. This method is widely used in rubber products such as tires, conveyor belts, and the advantages includes first, enhanced wear resistance to comprehensively improve the material properties of rubber. The disadvantages includes it is only applicable in black products. Second, using coupling agents to enhance bonding force between fillers and rubbers to improve the wear resistance. The disadvantages is that this method often leads to an increase of the hardness in the product. We recommend third solution, adding wear-resistant agent such as Silike NM-3 wear-resistant agent. It can significantly improve the wear resistance of rubber outshoes without affecting the hardness and other mechanical properties. It is usable for products of various colors and will not change the appearance color of the product. If you'd like to proceed the test of the sample, please contact us. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to give us a like and leave your comments. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for your always support. We'll be seeing you next time.